Hey all, today we're going to do a little comparison of Moto Z4 cases for your Moto Z4 phone. So what we got here is we got four different choices, and maybe yeah. So there's like common choices out there for the phones, right? This first one here is it's just a cover. It's no clip on. So this is just the cover. Then we have a clip on that slides in. We have a clip-on that has a top locking mechanism, and then we have a clip-on with the side mechanism. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the one that's already on the phone right now. That's the clip-on with the side mechanism. Hold on, let me get it. Okay, here it is. This is the one I was saying has the side clip. See it? Now this one, this is the one that came in this bag here. Now, for some reason it said Z4 Play. I didn't order Z4 Play, but that's what I got. And I already had trouble with these. Even this cover says Z4 Play. Okay, this is the first one. So now it has this side clip with these divots built into the plastic on the inside of this. But I don't know, there's a lot of space here in the bottom here. I don't know, it fits good, but it's kind of weird. Like it was made for something else, but this fits it too. I don't know. Anyway, it does work. I've been using this one for a couple days, and I like it, but this is probably the cheapest feeling plastic clip-on that there is. And the inside of this cover is pretty cheap too, but it gives a lot of outer extra like cushion, like space in between here and the phone. So I think that gives it maybe more protection. So let's go take this off. I'm gonna try to take it off. Okay, you can see this. Once you get this rubber cover off, you can see what I was talking about. This has a double piece clip on. Some of them have the glass on it. This one doesn't have the glass. This is a nice rubber cover. So this is the nicest part of the whole thing. That this is a nice piece of rubber. It has these deep buttons here because it has to go deep into this cover to hit the buttons. See it? See it in here? It's like at least 1/8 of an inch in. Alright, so once you get that off, this is a snap together piece like this. So it's snapped together. You can see it? Don't snap them all, we don't want to break it. Okay, so this feels pretty cheap by itself, but on the phone it feels pretty good. And this feels pretty cheap. But like I said, the rubber covers it all, so it really doesn't matter. You can see on there it says Z4 Play. The only difference I seen with this and the Z4 Play was this little divot up here, but I'm not sure if that's because this is thicker here. Anyway, all right, so that's the first one, the side clip. That's the one that sometimes has the glass cover that comes with it built in, not one that sticks on. It's a cover that gets put on. All right, so the next one, let's go. The next one was my first one I got. It didn't come with any clip on, but this is one of the nicer covers too. This one just has to come apart like this. Usually if you get one side going, it's better than trying to do both sides at the same time. Let's get it off. Put in the ace. Alright, see, it's a piece of plastic with a rubber inner cover. So this is like the opposite of that one. This one has the plastic on the outside and the rubber on the inside. But it has a rubberized, it's not really, yeah, it is rubberized on the back. So this was a pretty good one. And here you go. This one says Z4 Play too, so maybe they just rushed to say it's for Z4. Anyway, this one fit pretty good. I liked it. And I think you could just squeeze it right in there. Yeah, see? This is a pretty nice one. The buttons worked well. I used this for a couple weeks until I got my other ones. And then, yeah, then I needed a clip on. I'm tired of sitting on my phone. So now we'll move on to the next one. Let's move on to the one that I like the least. Okay, this came in this one. These are the ones that they say, oh, they slide in. Okay, here it comes. Slides in. Yeah, the only problem with this one is once you slide it in and the phone's in there, it's hard to get it out. And I'll show you what I mean. Let's put it on. Maybe we could slip it right on. I don't know. All right, so that went on pretty good. Okay, this comes apart, I believe, in 2 pieces too, but I just snapped it in. Okay, now here's the clip on. It's not a bad clip on. It only goes halfway though. It doesn't go all the way around. I don't like that. See, halfway. Well, that's only because it's got to slide in. But what if I wanted it to slide in upside down, like all the pictures on eBay are showing this thing? They show it upside down. But then you look and you can see that the clip is not upside down. So I don't know what they're doing with that or why they did it. But I can only think it's just to make you buy this thing and not want to return it. Because, you know, once you get this phone in there, it's not easy to get out. Like, how do you grab it? I can't put my finger in the hole anymore. And if I put my finger in this hole, it wants to stay in there. I cannot get it out. As much as I like this case, and even the concept of it having to slide in, I cannot get it out. So, buyer beware on these slide-in ones. Like I can't push it out. Like I gotta pry this open. And yeah, come on. Even if it was on my side, I couldn't do it. I can't even do it on the bench here. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, if I wanted to do all that to get my phone every time, this is gonna go in the trash. Even though I did like this case, you know, it's nice. The outer part of it's nice. This is nice too, but this doesn't work. Sliding it in on this case doesn't work. Maybe I got to grind this lip off here or something, but yeah. Imagine wanting to try to get your phone using this thing. So I would say use your own judgment on this slide-in one. Anyway, I'm not going to be using that one. I might someday use this case because I like it. It has the nice thing on it. It has nice rubber bumpers. It's not bad, but like I said. All right, let's move on to the next one. We don't want to stretch this video out too long. Maybe I'll do a Z4 review soon too. Anyway, let's get out the last one. This is the Encased. This is the one that clips from the top. Okay. This is Encased. I'm sure you've seen it. Encased. It says Moto Z4 Scorpio armor case with holster, black. Yeah, they had some other colors too. I don't really go for the colors. I'm kind of low key right now. I used this one for I'd say about a week, until I decided to try the other one with the side clip on. This one wasn't bad. I have nothing against it, but I'll show you how it works. We could just slip this in, even though it's a 2-piece. It slips right in. This is a nice outer cover. This feels rubbery. this Encased covers the Moto Mod connection, but I really don't care about that. I think if you're using the Moto Mod, I don't think you're going to have the case on it anyway. Not these cases anyway. Pretty sure. But anyway, so this case has the has a clip on like this. So you lift it up. See that? You lift it up. So you slide this in, and you think it's not going to clip in. See how tight that is? But it does go, and it holds good. And this doesn't feel cheap or nothing like that. So just to get your phone out, you just lift it up and it comes right out. And I think you can clip in either way, upside down or right side up. Even though it has the hole there, this is big enough not to go in the hole. I'm pretty sure that's why they made it that wide too. Okay. So this one is pretty good. Again, it only goes around halfway because this thing, it's a one-way, this side up. So the clip does have a thing back here, so you can clip it open like that if you want to sit it down sideways or front ways like that. Now, this one worked pretty nice. I liked it. Like I said, I used it for about a week, and this is probably my favorite one. This is the most well-made one and the one I like the most, and that's the one I'm going to use for now. And if it breaks, I'll try one of the other ones. I got plenty of them now. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you what all these cases were about and all the different variations that you see on eBay and Amazon. Buyer beware. Make sure that what you're picking, because they give you all these different choices, make sure what you're picking is what it says in the description. A lot of times they have something in the title, and when you go to it, it's not what's in the description. So buyer beware, be careful what you're buying. Make sure you're getting what you want. Like I said, I showed you all four different options that are pretty common on there. And yeah, now you got to see how they all worked. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you.